In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable maps and map visuals in Power BI Desktop. If you've ever tried to add a map or filled map and couldn't find the option, or saw it grayed out, this quick walkthrough will get you set up in just a minute. We'll enable the feature, explain what the setting does, and make sure it's applied correctly so your visuals work as expected. Start by opening Power BI Desktop and heading to the top left corner. Click File, then choose Options and Settings, and select Options. This is where all your application and report level preferences live. We're going here because map visuals are governed by a security-related toggle, and they won't appear until it's turned on. Once the Options window opens, look to the left-hand menu and navigate to the Security section. In that panel, find the option labeled Use Map and Filled Map Visuals. Turn this on by checking the box, then click OK to save your changes. This setting lives under security because map visuals can use an online geocoding service to translate your location data into points and regions. Enabling it lets Power BI send the necessary geographic information to render those visuals. If you work in a managed or highly regulated environment, it's normal for this to be off by default, and your organization may choose to keep it restricted. In most cases, though, enabling it is all you need to do. Sometimes the change doesn't kick in immediately. If you still don't see the map icons in the visualizations pane, or they don't behave as expected, simply restart your Power BI report. Save your work, close the report or Power BI desktop, and open it again. After the restart, the setting takes full effect, and the map and filled map visuals should appear and function normally. From here, you can add those visuals to your report and start plotting your geographic data. If a field doesn't map correctly, make sure your data uses recognizable location names or codes, and, when possible, that the data category for those columns is set appropriately, like country or state. That's not required to enable the feature, but it helps maps display more accurately. And there you go. That's all it takes. You opened Options, went to Security, enabled Use Map and Filled Map Visuals, saved the change, and restarted Power BI to apply it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building interactive, location-aware reports with confidence.